Hello, in this video we will see conditions in Vue JS 3. I'm gonna use the condition to show the message if its length is greater than 4 letters. I'm gonna change the value of message in data. This is how to write a condition if in Vue JS 3. v-if equal message.length greater than 4. vif is a directive. Vue JS has many directives. We will see them later. On browser, we can see the message because its length is greater than 4. On console, I'm gonna change the message. vm.message equal yes. There isn't a message on browser because the length of yes is less than 4. We can see the comment, but the element is removed. If the condition is not satisfied, Vue remove the element. I'm gonna change the value of the message. On browser, we have the message Vue.js. Now we're gonna see else in Vue.js. We just need to add the directive v-else to element. If the length of message is less or equal 4, we're gonna return message is too short. On console, I'm gonna change the value of the message. Now on browser, we have message too short. I'm gonna change the value of message in data. On browser, we see message too short. I'm gonna add an element between vif and v-else to check if they work or not. We get an error. v-else has no adjacent vif, so we can't add element between vif and v-else. I'm gonna add elements before and after vif and v-else. There is not an error, so we can add elements before vif and v-else or after, but we can't add elements between them. I'm gonna show you another directive vtext. Vtext change the text of an element. We can use two directives in the same element. I'm gonna show you another directive vhtml. vhtml change the inner HTML of an element. In data, I'm gonna add a new variable error. It's a HTML element. On browser, I get the value error because the length of message is 3. Last thing we're gonna see is else if. If the length of message is greater than 15, I'm gonna return message is too long. I'm gonna change the value of message in data. I'm gonna change the value of message vm.message equal yes. On browser we see message is too short. I'm gonna change the value of message vm.message equal message is too long. I don't think it's a good idea because I can't tell if I got the variable message or the message that I wrote on HTML. So I'm gonna change the value of message. On browser we see the word message instead of message is too long. On HTML I'm gonna modify the condition if. I'm gonna add message.length less or equal 15. On console I'm gonna change the value of message. Now all conditions works. I'm gonna add an element between if and else if. I got an error. We can't add an element between if and else if. We can't also add an element between else if and else. This is the end of this video. Next time we will see for loop in Vue.js. Take care.